Hi Jane, I think we've got something of a reversal of fortunes compared with yesterday when Scotland and Northern Ireland arguably had the best of the day's weather. Today you've got cloud and a bit of rain on the way, as we'll see. Look at these blue skies in County Durham, a beautiful weather watch picture, but a little bit further northwards in Aberdeenshire we've got this rather spectacular halo. This is caused by ice crystals in cirrus cloud refracting the sunlight, and that high cirrus cloud is just the forward edge of this weather system that's on the way. So in a way, it's announcing the arrival soon of thicker cloud and rain.
Good afternoon. Last week's hot and humid temperatures meant this morning it did feel a little fresher than we've become used to. There was a bit of cloud around, as you can see. That's the remnants of last night's front, which brought the showers and the rain. But that cloud has been lifting, breaking to some sunny spells. And we should see further lengthy sunny spells as we head through the afternoon.
Sally is here. And Sally, I've got an odd question, but it's starting to freak me out. Why are there spiders everywhere? I mean, I don't mean here now. I'm not seeing things. I just mean generally.
Because, 2 words, it's mating season.
Okay.
So they're looking to hook up, aren't they? Which is why they're everywhere in the corner, dropping down. You wake up in the morning, oh, another spider. They're brutal, though. I picked up a Jimmy Longlegs the other day, threw it out the window, straight into a spider's web, and the spider was on it straight away.
Yikes.
They are. But we need spiders, and we love them as much as we need the weather. Here we go. Hello again, a very good evening to you. Hope you're keeping well. I like this photo. I always like my photos, don't I? Look at this gorgeous scene of those beautiful birds having a chinwag on the tree. Now, the next couple of nights, we've got the temperatures dropping down a little bit further, but our days are going to warm up a little bit. Probably peaking on Saturday, could get up to 26 degrees. And we've got some nice sunny spells for Thursday and Friday, but it becomes a bit more unsettled as we move on into the weekends.
I have never seen the Northern Lights, but some lucky people did yesterday, didn't they?
Nor have I, Sophie. It's very much on the list. But you're right, some people did get to see it last night. This was how it looked in Aberdeenshire, but some spots even further south got to see a glimpse of the Aurora Borealis. And it may happen again tonight. This graphic shows the chance of seeing the Northern Lights. Obviously, Iceland, parts of Scandinavia, a very good chance. But even into parts of northern Scotland, perhaps even further south, a chance to see the Northern Lights tonight if the skies remain clear. So as the weekend wears on, I think there is the increasing chance that we'll see some showers, some thunderstorms. Still, though, fairly warm down towards the south.
We've covered boxing, we've covered high fashion, so a little bit of sartorial advice, Ben. Can we get our autumn clothes out?
Yes, our Chanel autumn finery. Well, actually, it's that time of year where it might be a bit too early to put the summer wardrobe away just yet, because yes, today has been a little bit cooler and fresher, the coolest day we've had for quite some time. We've had quite a lot of cloud, but a little bit of sunshine coming through in places, and in that sunshine I suspect we'll get temperatures up to 26 or 27 degrees. It may start to feel a little bit humid, so not as hot as it was last weekend, but still some warmth. However, it may not last, because as we move into Sunday, we've got the increasing chance for some showers and perhaps some thunderstorms, and then actually into next week, the wind direction changes, quite blustery at times, those temperatures coming down again. So it might be a bit tough to work out what to wear through the coming days, Alice.
Hello there. The weather was a lot drier today across England and Wales, with more in the way of sunshine. It felt quite fresh in the sunshine, not particularly humid the air, and this was Flamborough Head with those sunny spells overhead. But further north and west, we had much thicker cloud in western Scotland, with rain arriving in Argyll and Bute through the afternoon. Now into the weekend, an area of low pressure develops to our south. This could bring some severe thunderstorms to parts of Iberia and western France. For us, it's a question mark about how far those fronts will push. I think certainly this weekend there will be some rain around at times across the south of both England and Wales, but there's a question mark about how much, if any, you'll see further north.
And for much of the country, cloudy conditions have been the theme of the day. But for some lucky sky watchers, there was a visual treat last night. Well, Alex has more on that. And, of course, the forecast. And, Alex, well, at least it's cooling down a bit at night time, isn't it?
It is. However, it's a bit of a slow process in the south at the moment, because last night temperature stayed up at 15 degrees. However, much further north in Scotland, it got down to -3.5. No surprise in Kinbrace. There was a frost overnight. However, temperatures are going to be a little up on that as we head through this evening and overnight. But even though it was cold in the north, there certainly was a nice treat if you looked up. Yes, for a lucky few, the Northern Lights were very much visible. This was the situation at Holy Island in Northumberland, and I believe it was also possible to see the Northern Lights across some other parts of the UK as well. This happens when positively charged particles from the sun interact with atoms in Earth's upper atmosphere, and you get this magnificent display. Well, as we head through the rest of this week, creeping into the weekend, it is going to be a fresher feel up across many northern parts. Outbreaks of rain, as I just showed you, but also some sunny spells. In fact, some warm sunny spells, particularly on Friday, when we could see temperatures back up to maybe 25 degrees Celsius in some parts of the south. So that's the way it is looking this evening. As I say, Northern Lights may be possible tonight as well.
All right, I'll have a look. Alex, thank you.